Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust the hue of an image on Picsart. So first of all, we want to open Picsart. After opening it, we just need to drag the image. So for adjusting the hue of an image, on the top you can see here many options, and here is an option you can see here adjust. Click on that. And then here on the left you can see here a section called colors. Click on that. And then here a second option you can see here hue, and from here you can just increase or decrease it as much as you want it. And after adjusting it, you can see that you had been adjust the hue of an image on Picsart. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.